What's up, everybody? Thanks for stopping back by the channel today. Guys, we've got a little bit of an unboxing for you today. It's not a big box, mind you, but this box has done a lot of traveling in the time it's taken to get here. So, we're going to get it unboxed, and I'm going to show you what it's for. Alright, like I said, this is an unboxing, but let me give you a little bit of history behind this little bitty box here, because if you'll notice up here at the top it says priority mail today, okay? Well, this little box has taken a month to get here, even though priority mail today. Well, somehow or another, when I ordered this little box and the little contents in it, it went on its little trip from Florida to New York. And what it did while it was in New York, I have no idea. But apparently whoever it went to in New York didn't want it. So they sent this little box back to Florida, where it sat until I decided that, 2 days has more than passed. Where is my order? So this is a genuine GM part, and this was not any fault of GM's that this little baby took a little trip. It must have happened when I was on checkout, and I might have fat fingered it and put a secondary address in there, and I didn't notice it when I ordered it, and it was somewhere in New York. But we got it all straightened out. And they reshipped it back out to me. Of course, it took another week, even though it says priority 2-day mail. But I finally got it. And it is a genuine GM part. And the reason it's a genuine GM part is because I've been looking for this particular piece in an aftermarket availability. But all the aftermarket that I find is just as expensive, if not more, than your genuine GM part. So I decided that money don't grow on trees, and if I'm going to have to pay for something, it's a little expensive, and this is a little expensive, I think, for what it is. I mean, some of you guys might even blink an eye, but I have to budget. So this was an expensive piece for me. And for no more than what it is, I thought it was a little bit pricey. But it's been pricey everywhere I've looked for it. So I thought, might as well get the genuine GM part. They have it. It was available. I liked it. So I ordered it from them. And after about a month of traveling, it's finally here. So you're saying, shut up and open the box, right? So here we go. I'm going to open the box here. And we're going to just pull this baby out. Hopefully it's not broken. Like I say, the box has traveled quite a bit. And in the box we have, and that's all that's in there. We've got some installation instructions, which is great because I don't know how the other one comes off. And we got a little bit of paper here. Let's unwrap this thing here. And it is for the Camaro. And it is a fuel door for the Camaro with genuine carbon fiber inserts. And it actually, says Camaro across the front. I think it looks entirely better than the one that's on the car. So even though I thought it was a little expensive, I think it looks pretty good, and it will go perfectly with the carbon fiber accents that I've already got on the car. Now, the ones that I found third party, they had carbon fiber, but they were just as expensive as this one. And I don't think they looked as good as this one. This one looks really well. The weave and the carbon fiber, you probably cannot see it on the camera, but it's very good, very tight, And you can tell it's true carbon fiber because right there you can see the backs of the carbon fiber and you can feel it. So it's not any of that imitation stuff. I just hope, I know the car is, you know, kind of, the body of the car is kind of, you know, rounded. So hopefully you can definitely tell this is not a round plate. It's bent, I guess, to the shape of the car, or at least let's hope it is, because if not, this is not going to be a very good fit. But we're going to get this put on later this weekend and see how she looks. And I'm going to put up a picture of the stock one, which should be over there somewhere, and you tell me which one you think is going to look better. I'm going to go ahead and tell you I'm picking this one, so we'll just have to see. So guys, that's going to do it for this little unboxing video. I told you it was a small box, small part, small video. So guys, if you liked it, hey, give me a like, give me a subscribe, hit that notification bell, and check back in with me later on this week when I get this baby installed, and we'll see what it looks like. So guys, see ya on the next one.